A little Snow Dog weighs just under 300 pounds and it has no reverse on it. So the throttle cable's right here and there's a little screw that holds it in place so that when you squeeze the handle, it pulls the throttle. That old screw's coming loose and I went and tightened it up, but if it falls out, I can't work my throttle anymore. My throttle keeps giving me trouble. I'm having to fix it every few minutes. I still got about 20 miles to go and we're already off to a rough start. Oh, that throttle jammed open. Well, it's gotten dark on me. I need to find a place to set up camp. I'm tired. I skipped lunch and I'm feeling it. So I've got an old tuna fish can and a bottle of heat. This is a fuel additive we put into gas tanks to keep them from freezing up in the wintertime. And it's mostly made out of isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol can be very dangerous. See how the flame is nearly invisible? If you spill isopropyl alcohol on yourself and light yourself on fire in the daytime, you won't even be able to see it. But it burns really clean and really hot, so it's great for cooking. Put some olive oil in the bottom of the pan. The advantage of burning alcohol is that it burns really clean. You can use it inside the tent like this, and it doesn't stink the place up. It doesn't make your food taste funny. Got some fresh Alaskan scallops here. Got some butter and garlic. Scallops have to be my favorite seafood. I got a sweetened passion fruit jelly that I'm going to use to make some herbal tea. Oh, it's just passion fruit puree, a little bit of honey added to it. Man, it is so good. I need to go ahead and get some water. This water's so clean I could probably drink it straight, but you know I got a filter, so why risk it? Gravity pulls the water through the filter, fills up my jug. When the filter's new, it does about 1 liter a minute. It's pretty quick. Once you're done, you gotta go ahead and drain the whole thing. If it turns to ice inside your filter, then the filter won't work. Woo! Now it's chilly. Oh, that's pretty.